Hi, I'll be making stuffed turei today. I wanted to do something exotic, so instead of turei, I'll be using zucchini. To start with, take some zucchini, cut it lengthwise into half and scoop out the inside flesh. Don't throw away the flesh. I'll be taking some oil in a pan. To this oil, I'll be adding the zucchini and sprinkling some salt. We have to cook the zucchini till it's half done. It will happen really fast since zucchini takes less time to cook than turei. But if you don't want to make it with zucchini, you can always make it with turei as the traditional method. As it's half cooked now, I'll remove it and let it cool. There. Now we just have to let it cool. Now in the same pan, take some oil, about half a teaspoon of jeera and some grated ginger. To this, I'll be adding the chopped up flesh of the zucchini that we had taken out earlier. As you can see, the flesh is totally cooked. I'll add chana dal, which I have cooked in a pressure cooker with salt and turmeric. We have to cook the dal for about 5 minutes. As you can see, the dal has cooked well and mixed with the zucchini flesh. Now to this, I'll be adding MTR garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix it up well. All mixed up. So now I'll put it off and transfer it to a bowl. Now I'll be stuffing the zucchini with this dal mixture. There you go. There. Heat the same pan again. Drizzle a little bit of oil. Now I'll be placing the stuffed zucchini on the pan. We just have to cook it in the pan for about 5 minutes till it's well done. Now it's been on the pan for about 5 minutes. So time to serve it. There you go. There. So stuffed turei is ready to serve.